So what just happened? Called it a bull and shot him between the shoulder. He came out of, I raised a tree. It was 25. Told me I think it was 33. He came between that and he ran up. You saw the red? I hit him with that towards his corner. You hit him back? I didn't hit him back. I put it on his shoulder. Okay. So my back. But it's not back. Right on his shoulder. Right on his shoulder. I know you hit it. Good ball. Good job here. I heard it crash down there when he took left. That could just be a break. No, don't kill it. But you don't kill it all. Okay. So he just shot a bull. He wants to shot a bull. And called it in. And 20-yard shot. We're gonna wait an hour or so. Keep you guys updated. Just found the arrow. Let me see. The tip right here. The ledging. It's got ledging right there. Other side. Hey, get out. Get it. You all. Found it, but I didn't tell them.
哎，那老子狗哈，老子狗是吧？What's up, man?
All right. We can be happy now. Good stuff. Woo!
依我都使出嚟加啦。
Big boat down. 個雲話邊來？俾條立薄咧。你未 crash that far？ Yeah，當然叫 J 咯。
依我都使出嚟噶。 Shot. He lunged it.
Yeah, he lunged it.
That's a high shot though.
Okay.
That's
Pull it
good.
down.
It's down.
Có hay là tổng thống crash nữa. Dây nữa.
Cái số nó đó lên mấy cái lo. Hồ to rồi nó.
Lọt tầm nó.
Pull big bull down. Shot it you all shot it yesterday. Called it in, and we had you two had opportunity too, but you all shot 30 yards and managed to hit it, and he cried all night, and so I guess crying does help a little bit, guys. He's a shooter.
This is my dad.
Hey, go look for your dad, dude.
Oh, I just follow him.
He's a shooter.
Yeah. You go down. Y'all got all right here. I'm good. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. Guys. Shit, dude. Oh my god. I knew it, dude. See, it was a little shaving now.
Yeah, you double lunged it.
What you crashing on? Yeah.
Pick it up, boy.
Oh. That's yours. Good.
Pick it up. It's a nice 5. Barely 6 on one side.
She's by 5. She's by 5. Oh, yellow.
Yeah, I call him, but it's okay. It's a 6'2", 4, 6 by 5, 6 by 6. Yeah, 6'6". You play
5 by 5.
6 by 6 hole.
No, 6 by 5. But do 5
Look at the end.
Yeah, 6 好呀。
6 by 6.
这就别丢掉铁了。
Bé,
那好了，那先去包了。
hey, bé thẳng nuôi dâu rồi, cái mình cá nhau, mình cá lúc bù, mình cá nhau gì chứ?
Good shit, guys. Oh.
Now you got a lot of drinking to do.
太多。啊，不给我搞整这没有太多。哦，都吃了呀。It's cold last night.
All right, well, you did it.
Did it this year. I told you.
Hey, now you're gonna have to practice calling for me now.
Yeah. Good shit, dude.
Oh, redemption from last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, redemption.
We tried to repeat last year, now, but I know I put it right on his shoulder here, do you? Hey, no.
Yeah, as long as you hit from here, anywhere around here.
Yeah.
Chừng một cha cho.
The axe law. Man, that was a roller coaster ride, though. I thought it was going to repeat last year.
And then, you know, if it was a repeat last year, then this guy's not never hunting with me again.
It's that lane, though. This will be easy to pack out to camp.
It's never easy, but, you know, we're gonna
do it anyway.
Yeah, we're gonna do it anyways. We say it's easy, but you know what? It's never easy, man. Because they always make you work for it.
See, it's recording? Okay. To stop it, just press again.
Yeah.
Here comes the hard part.
No, but let's cut this way so you know later that this is what you want. So we have a straight line. Oh, it's hard to cut this side though. Just underneath the skin, or go in, just start skinning it and then you'll cut it through. This? No, just start skinning it. 等那边我刚才那个啥那样。
I'm home.
I forgot how I did a fucking deer. Oh, you go okay now. Deer on the mangy. Come on, rolls in it. Remember how we did it? You just rolled it and cut the neck off, but you roll this guy from here to here, it's too big. You can't get to the neck. I'll let you get on that then. I'll start over here.
Oh. It's just true.
Really?
Yeah, it's still warm.
좋아. 네. 또 좋아. 쌀 주종 요거.
这bán牛的要。
Yeah. 行啊。扔。Always good for the OG. You have to get a bitch in there.
我们在老师没发觉，就觉得 still good。
돈 달라扔没。
그 이거지. 오케이. 그것도 오케이, 오케이.
这是什么？弄到长度这几张啊？
It probably just expired. Just 把这种booze off. It probably will expire.
I came through here last night. We just went around this bush area.
Oh, you guys came through here too yesterday?
Yeah, but when we came down this level too.
Yeah.
We came down this level. Too high.
정도는 어.
这直接炖东大白。 근데 가가 이건데.
Now we're gonna break our back, huh? It's time to break that back.
That's what we're here for, man.
Yep.
You should cut it right here. Well, come on, tell you want come on, make water. What yeah. Cause you say I cut it me too.
Yeah,
before I start going.
cut that short.
Yeah, bigger knife. This one can't punch like this.
See,
Yeah, solid knife. I cut the more.
see hello.
What are you trying to cut?
Where the I'm on my mouth. You can down on. Yeah. Yeah. Big car.
Here, just use this to run down.
Whoa, secret come out. Wow. What the hell?
How far do you want it down? No. How far do you want it down?
All the way to the belly.
All the way to the belly?
Yeah.
Where's the beginning at?
Oh, come on. Yeah.
This is what I use just for my deer.
There? Yeah, it's right here.
Okay. 다시는 빼. 어우, 떼야나. 온다는 야들 떼. 오.
Hey, you can just roll over. Roll over. Hold on. Okay. You ready?
떼, what the black? You both 떼.
I can't. Yeah, roll over. Roll over. Okay, hold on. Ui.
How come your camera here is kind of cloudy?
Được rồi.
Trên đá xuống hồ.
Nè.
Trên đá nhà. Oh.
Leave
Like
nothing.
that, yeah. Trên ta. Trên ta lên. Trên tập biết là bác ơi James.
I'll go help James. James, hold on, James. I got it.
You good.
Cái cho trà này. Mỏng rồi.
Cứ đứa
Đu khi cho nó.
Cho dưới ha, chỉ xuống.
Give me one.
okay.
So I can use the other hand for
Cái giờ hấp.
Actually, I might need 2 trekking poles. Yeah, for real. No. Hey, you do cameraman. What's up, Maggie? Go take a. Man, you gotta be switch up sometime on full-time shooter.
Come
I
on.
can't be full-time
Come on.
caller.
Oh, just
I'll leave it.
it's not fair.
Take a mùi mà cho nó có đầy mà mua cơ.
Here, you lead the way. You can bring going back and forth. Take up there, huh?
Cửa nữa.
Your dad's carrying that bag too? Yeah. Or coming back for the...
No, we're gonna come back to this.
Okay.
Only 3 Set? Yeah. Yeah, let me
Is that yours?
What's that?
Nếu gặp nó ở đây này. Cứ chơi cứ tàu à.
Yeah. Yep. Ta. Alright, hold on.
Oh damn. This is what it is. And James still got a bag of rice bag. It's a real OG over there, teaching everybody. You too.
My legs are sinking in.
You too. And me. Just got done packing out Ewald's bowl. 6x6. Ooh. For 2019. Pack out archery Ewald's bulls 6x6. kind of stuff is this? Oh shit. These guys taking a break. Đồ lọt tao này rồi chả nó.
This is kind of good.
Yeah. Feels good. There's two James, you-all, and James' dad's already ahead. We didn't want to come back for another trip, so we just decided that taking all of it. Me, 5 of us, one 6x6 spool. And I got the goodies, back straps, the tenderloins, all to myself. Chuẩn bị ta tới ngay lo James có ý nan đã thế trời gai nan bò lo. Yeah, whole teamwork. You two, you all. A 6x6. Quarter way. Long hike. 5-mile hike.
What it's all about.
See you all.
My dad's already up front.
Where'd your dad go?
Good dad caught there.
Oh yeah.
I wish I had, hopefully I still have energy like him when I'm his age. He's a more way out of there, caught there.
James, you two, and then you all. He owes a lot. This is me, and then I'm working our way back.
Okay, come on, move.
Break time. Yeah. Yeah. going too fast. That's what we're out here for. Everybody, yeah. Mushaw, 讲到差行。
This how deep, isn't it? No. Some parts are pretty shallow. Dad, earlier, he went right through the freaking creek, and I was like, you keep all that. He goes, oh well.
It's me. We're almost there. It's been a while. 2019 archery elk and deer.